Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 and PS5. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here? And you're wondering here, why do I have my computer screen open up and my screen here? Well, in this case, you might be wondering what's the connection with your account here on your PC as well on your in this case PS4 or PS5 account in Roblox. Well, the thing here, the problem most likely stems on your current session for Roblox. So typically, to solve this one, what you need to do is you need to access your account for Roblox in other ways. So in this case, maybe on your PC or even in your mobile device. But in this case, once you've accessed your account, what we need to do is we need to access our settings. Now, at the top right on your desktop, you want to click on settings here and just click on settings again. Now from here, you want to go to privacy or even security here, and you want to actually scroll down a bit until you see the log out of all other session. But in this case, you just need to click on it, and from here, just confirm by clicking log out. Now in this case, this will actually log out your account for other sessions. And typically, this will actually refresh your session here, which in this case, once you log in again on your Roblox account on your PS4 or PS5, that should now work. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.